tirege tindi nigo kegendrete korrekana kubatkanane chingwana ichi chikageire korekana igatie serikali nensemire kwamireria serikali ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya ekerobo no beso kirena otana tibago chiago kora chingwana icho anene asebunge na kugania ababwatani au abebabe bakobwataniwa chinga chingi omwancho murigererio Ndizi TV na bwobwansu bwo Gusii gwegena ritkoria uri abere ritero kegimana nene kwabere gokwego kya asoko bwatemero berionsi ritkoria rero ekerorire ritkoria Jumanne tariki 15 cy'umutenyo kane omwaka no w'ibibere na 2023 nechinga chingi ekero yaragire nsemo ya bon magoroba ekerongo kwargania SMS Amayia irongo manyuna na raya yakubwatrana n'abasaki baito to kwarganire asenchera ere yobwikiranu yabona sensemere ya Facebook nabakogendera otonyara wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter nabako tweetwetra @Ndizi TV News boigo nabako sange kerengerero kyao na tweetera se number era se screen ritanganike gimati gataranyorega tiari nkwariganire tia senchera ere yobwenge.
I was informing them about the same. He held my shirt, pushed me out of the hospital and told me I should never be seen there again.
Umunyagitari oyo mokuganyo boine bwa yaskiria goteba no kuunererwa no MCA bwe ward ya Eyemo County ya Nyamira.
We will therefore not participate in any such parliamentary process.
Abaraibo bomo bwa Azimio gokana tibarigo chigokora chingwa na sebunge na serikali chinga kibararire kogenderera na maandamano.
Tunataka mtuba uwe controlled ili kwamba kila mtu anaweza kuenjoy nguo safi kama hii niliyoivaa mimi mwenyewe. So ili tuweze pia kuweza kupunguza takataka bayo. Ekiombe kianema kuboria mazingira korendwa keboikira nubune bwenerete ase chinsemo au imense ya Kenya. Mwanchi murigereria yo mnaenda manke ngo kwarganira ngumanya senchera ere yobwikirano eri atariane Everline Osero ekeroto kubwatirana nere Joshua Auta kwenekya bnawe kire asensemo yebimanyirerio tokoya chaka senchera ya bene korwase county ya Kisii awasumu governor we county ya Paul Simbarati akubwatirana ne serikali ya UK insi yo muroberio omanyikante bna sustainable urban economic development amono mo British High Commissioner Jane Marriott nigo baba koigora bene factory ya avocado asensemo ya ATC imeye county ya Kisii gokwa na chinga kecho arati nigo atawune factory yene chikokonya baremi na kubaburia wekinya anenase okonya chi avocado ase factory yo muriketo Mildred Mumanyi na kiranasayo na tigatoiwe na twarganire tioroboti rwa senchira yobwime.
Serikali yonsi imensi ya Kenya nigo egendrete kurerera aso kuburu gwechibesa kurende nigo abarai au bagendete gwetuma iliyo kwenda kyabuna abananchi nkonyora bali amagenderero. Imeye county ya Kisii nigo omugavana Paul Simba arati aigora bene factory ya avocado asensemo ya ATC imeyo muchobosongo iyo yabereye kuganyererwa asegeka egetambe asebono abwatirane na serikali ya UK insi yo murobuli Oswed uyumanya kante muna sustainable urban economic development program ase omo commissioner omonene kurwa ase serikali ya British omoswat Jane Marriott ateba nichikokonya abamenyi benseme yo konyora chigasi gati ya maya ayande amange
kwanza ngakire aba Ingereza abali ba tokonyire kubeke factory yo Gusii avocado liba gachisese chikolinka bono ntobwate kero mu MCO ino tagete muri yo mu MCO ino lazima ali gas cha avocado chigosangirelwa taetemba tebinga egas twanzi enero factory entanga ni korosia amavuta Gusii ya ito ingima amavuta akonu Ensa ingima moko nyalibaga etera egaiga ATC modeling kigendra.
Formally launched the avocado processing factory. It's Kisii's first agri-processing factory and it's showing that value chain addition can be done in every county. It's providing direct employment for 50 people now, hopefully 100 in the near future, and it's taking avocados from over 1,000 farmers, many of whom would otherwise have their food go to waste. So it's putting a lot of money into the local economy and producing something useful that Kenya can use both locally and for export.
Asobuya bwe avocado ekyogo kya ase abamenyi nigo kirakikorosia amaguta ayara chikoni gwa gucyase kinse chaisko ase bono omugavana arugo kura gucya ase abalemi gucya kone cha avocado cyabo gucya ase factory ya ATC na gutiga kone lya abana byasara birigo liryo gutugutera abo bamenyekanete buna brokers
abantu abaye babwate machine yenene twabikirega ATC bosong taite basabenga ki leta chi avocado chene ono abantu bali bawo cyabagora kurwe meteigo bachecherelia igoreli igoli mangana itali kuchikoboro igoli bikwana nowega neligia igontegete avocado tonyare kwagacha na tonyare konyora abantu bawo kolegasi
Boigonigo omugavana agania abalimi go chikogendera obolimi bwe chi avocado iliyo gokonya kwegendera lya kebogima
ATC ni shamba lenu wananchi. Kwa hivyo leta avocado tununue tuhakikishe kwamba watoto wameenda shule. Sitaki kusikia kwamba watoto hawajaenda shule kwa sababu kama avocado ziko na umbwa zinakula avocado afadhali letwe itolewe mafuta wewe ulipe pesa.
Kuripotelea Egetaseni kia Ndizi TV iliyetaliane Mildred Momanyi. Mbia mwana omurikeito Mildred Momanyi ase oroboti ururikiranu ensemo y'abanyagitari kurwase county ya Nyamira nigo besokire na kwimurunganya ase kire batana Eyemo bwabo busabo chenu kurwase dispensary ya Rigoma nigabetega kunirerwa no MCA we ward ya Rigoma Nyambega Gisesa nabono nigo abanyagitari abuba muganiriye Gisesa we sokia na gusaba okwabera gusonya tariboti bawe cyakogendera gukora emirimo yabo murikeito job manki no roboti urwase ubwime.
Comrades power! Power! Comrades power! Power!
Umunyagitari Eyemo asamarieta Victor Nyamete kurwase dispensary ya Rigoma egotoka ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba nigo akorera obwene bwaye.
He held my shirt, pushed me out of the hospital and told me I should never be seen there again. Considering my security, I had to go.
Eyema eganige kageire niga bakagosererwa na gosererwa no mo MCA be wodi ya Rigoma Nyambega Gisesa rijiko lya Jumatatu ekero arenge asegasi ase agotaikirania okuganiko mo MCA buna okomoa amaliko yemisangerekano bakorire nabana kamati
and they showed up threatening me why I'm not turning up to welcome him to the facility. And on further inquiries about committee meetings, when I informed him that the committee has not yet been gazetted to hold a meeting, he insisted on me to avail the minutes so that he can have a meeting with the committee members who are elected but not yet gazetted.
Bakora una Boniface Kegusu oyore umunyakerogo bekyombegiye kwegerera aba clinical officers Kenya Union of Clinical Officers orosagero Nyamira abarayi bekyombekyo nigo bagikeria egekorekyo
against something which is not right to one of our colleagues who is stationed at Rigoma dispensary. But when Victor was going back, he met the MCA, and the MCA now he threatened him. And he told me, he pushed him to the outside of the hospital, and he told him never to come back to the hospital.
Aseba musaba omuteneneri be wodi ya Rigoma gosaba amabera goseba chikoira egetambo keryo.
He knows what will happen to him. We will take the necessary legal actions. We don't fear anybody. But before we proceed, we only need one thing, an apology, and that is it. And our colleague should be escorted. If this honorable member apologizes, he should take time and escort this colleague to the facility and ensure that there is good harmony between him and all the staffs.
Boigombate bamba chigotwara omogiro asenge encho yenganeye atachieti gosaba amabera.
The honorable Nyambega Gisesa must apologize within 24 hours. Failure to do so, all the clinical officers in Nyamira County will not step to the all hospitals in Nyamira County.
Nagosaba bakoli emirimo ase sector yobochenu koegwa amasikani ekero bale ase mirimo.
And there is a mischief in what is going to with the committees. What interest does the MCA have with the committees? So what we are appealing, we need our security as clinical officers.
Ensa y'umuteneneri bwe wodi ya Rigoma Nyambega Gisesa aya naro abwate igoro yenganeye
ero monyene kamurigi kamuinform kamoteba abaninji ba complain mpaka kibaraza cha koliru mpaka committee anyene yenye kitari ne what the minutes eko complain igoro ini competence yo mo biso ine bintu bi no this is the way you are treating our people na bote tokorega siga no tinga ngagotete tokorera abaninji ga siga then you don't deserve go tokorega at that time oge chugu ostrom out of the fight so ali mogenda
kurwa se county ya Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi
Miyamano murikeito Job Maangi asoroboti ururekera nukorwa se county ya Nyamira tukutana nayo na nendi watokwira na se county ya Kisii awase company y'ekinguru cy'omuriro ya KPLC yabereye kubwatirana ne wizara y'ekisemi eryokorwa amaigero gocha sabaro kya kubwatikana n'obutumeki bw'estima anene ase chiskuru okwana ase skuru yobobundi ya Kisii National Polytechnic nigo abo bisakorwa se chinseme cyo baboririe abarokya kwenekya bunango tumeka bare estima century na kubuli abamenyi be county ya Kisii kwenekya bunekero bakubekerwa estima gosimu chando ndebwensi estima bereko gotoka babe bakoligia abantu babwate obumanyi bwa mangana yo muri keito Josephat Hamisi noroboti urwaso boime
Buna enchira Eyemo yogokea nime basukano egiye konyara ko bekoretwa kubwatikana ne chinguru cy'umuriro mbono lige company ya Kenya Power yabwatanire amane wizara y'ekisemi kwena na morokeri wa yokwenekya buna emibasukane yu yanyarire ko bagekoera.
So the reason why we are having this meeting today and across a few other counties is as a result of electrocutions that have happened across the country. This is a partnership between the Ministry of Education and Kenya Power to sensitize officers, Ministry of Education and Teacher Service Commission officers, and also end teachers and teachers champions, safety champions in schools. This is as a result of having our children who are in school.
Coming home to Kisii, last year we had 12 electrocutions, and it is our wish that we bring that number to nil. And towards that journey, we have had several education forums with the members of the society, and the numbers have come drastically down this year. This year so far we've only registered 2 cases, and we are saying we should have nil at one given moment.
Abo bisa abobe company ya Kenya Power niko batebire amaigeria yo niganyare ko bagakoinanwa ucia saborokia abaguchikonyereria gucia saborokiwa ayibaranyare ko bagwetanga anene basukano eye chinguru cy'umuriro anene ase chiskuru nonyene chinga cyabo.
Once it is given to the teachers, it will be disseminated to the learners, and of course we expect to have reduced or minimized cases of electrocutions among the learners. Kisii being quite rampant because of issues of lightning, so we need good works, electrical works, and also we need the people, even the larger community, to be aware of matters electrical safety.
And with that level of penetration, cases of electrocutions have really risen up, and it is our endeavor that we have this culture from the grassroots, more so from the school-going children, so that as they grow up, they have that safe culture within them, and with that they'll also be able to share with also the wider members of the society. Largely also, we are also emphasizing that whenever you are doing your electrical
Boigo abo bisabu be company ya Kenya Power nigo baburirie abamenyi be county ya Kisii banyara ko bagutumia abantu babwate obumanyi be stima ase oborose we stima ase chinga chiabo chinga kichonsi ase bago batabira maigeri ya nyinagendera ko baga kugendera gucyase chi county chinde.
Connections or interactions, you engage a qualified person. People who have been mandated to do so by the regulator, that is EPRA, to do the connections for you, so that at least when you are making use of electricity, you are using it in a safe manner. Electricity is kind of an integral part of our life at the moment, and at the moment we can't do without electricity.
is being carried out in the month of April and May in 15 counties, which have got highest number of electrocutions across the country.
Kuripoti gataseni kia Ndizi TV kure kaunti ya Kisii, eliterane Josephat Hamisi.
Miyamono murikeito Josephat Hamisi ase oroboti uruomu waziri wechisemi Ezekiel Machogu ni gabori wekwenekia unakubwatu kwa wechibesa ase chiskuru kwa bereko kokorekana ase chinga kichiwenerete eriogo sira emirobero au ase chiskuru haya niga kwanwa ase umujegabo wako kwa eri magega yokorwa bokoreri ase kegetambe kwa se omokonyi bo morokyo munene bweskuru ya sekondari ya omwari gotoka se wodi ariana ebunke ya Bonchari e county ya Kisii Charles Sando Murikyo itonde mo Stephen Noma Namange.
Nigo rengo mwega boko mwakiro kwa eri oyo kabeiro mokonyo mwalimu manase secondary yo mwari Bonchari Mr. Charles Sando asobokori bwaye bwe myaka 30 ase chisemi bwakirwe koko.
Kuruwa jirindu wanakora mechandende yagari abana bachi abayiburi bachi ama na abalimu na abana boigo nande none kenyona bakibegete byasengenjo mirobiri ya Eyemo.
Ijapokuwa anaenda, tunaiomba serikali iweze kutupa motisha ili ikiwezekana anayeshikilia usukani wake aweze kupata nguvu na kuisukuma shule kiwango cha pili.
Kwenda kwae nabonda atebe has been my mentor na ende ngoso banyasaya mugwatesie singa kichonsi na nintu arokogani kumanya mange ekalonda abengo tenera aseri bagabugate dia discipline.
That may Lord bless him. I think that where he's going we never forget him.
Nilitukoria na gokre sana esinga jom abageni bana bachire ko rangenda buya nanda mangana manga ko bajisukuru ngoigumure nande mbiyamono nenya sambiyamono nakorire buya
asoma yagoywo nigerusere bosia kwanerwa ne serikali gosabwa gosira chiskuru neni bo yaborokigwa asichinga kichikiranete
abana bakogenda nka twasabira abayibori baito bonse piase bare badorendera abana abachigwiki echibere egerekera baja kuirana boje school tonyora na abana bambuya bare nawo bari muna bachiete ndo basakonyora banyorire macherande bosa abande baikerenjera barengera ligotiga school.
Na wataka wanafunzi hata nitawaambia wakati wataenda wasaidie wazazi nyumbani. Warudi vile wako. Hasa wasichana. Mambo ya mimba shuleni hatutaki sana. Kama nasoma wasome waende university. Mwishowe ndio watapata mimba huko wakisamaliza mambo ya shule.
The Ministry of Education through the Minister Bwana Honorable Ezekiel Machogu oriri chibesa mapema. Egera abantu bachikwe bangeta mwiye ko bwati ndo duara issues and there kyagara na nyene michezo yako round ye abantu bali bakorite michezo mbaka netu pesa cyabo Jones so ndutagete baka nuje pesa cyabo mapema
ekiombe gya kupet gyabasaba borokigwa gutwara chimbwa chingi yase chiskuru nonye biranya bikanire
ondeta yorangera mangana ko proportion because the angeria serichiko igokero monto alende section yae yogo ensure na disciplinary ase school lakini yakorwa senjererengia
keroko gokyo monto gasi tegwasa bakore gasi nande bachivu ba yerera gutaka aitobo tenengu goseki baratangania omwana litangania.
Ni sisi tutamisi yeye vizuri vibaya kabisa kwa sababu alikuwa mtu ambaye aliweka level ya discipline ya shule ikaenda juu.
Obuya bwasabali enda yonsi no morene litukolia lero labiri litukolia mweli asense meli yo bwalimu bwa omwalimu Charles Onsando aigase school ya omwari secondary school asabalimu bonsi basabiro bwati chimbwa chiaye kunyara kwene kinamba torobo korolio buya ase sector ya Chisemi ko reporter ya Ndizi TV koraiga nsemo ya omwari secondary school Riana Ward Bonchari constituency area tariane Ndemo Steven
Mbia mono omurike itonde mo Stephen ase oraboti ururu ikiranu togotiana nayo ni otokwenda ndase county ya Nyamira awase ekina ekyoke getuwe bosi obekirambiro kya Nyamira yo kwamereria ogochorwa kwa Dolphin Nyagara buno mwemsi omochore kurwase kyama kya Jubilee kyabake gochaka gotegererwa bene ase ekigambiro kya Nyamira emagaye kinekyo kwikiwa bosi obekirambiro nomo gosenomo na nchoyomo Michelle Omoyo askeri agoteba buna Nyagara tari omwaki ekura ase county ya Nyamira ekyoge ku mwaka isiko koba omo MCA omochore chinsemo ibere cyabayegereri bekine kyo mwakili Danstan Umari naboigo mwakili Wilkins Ochoki nigo bateba goseba tema kworo kyo burito bwekine kyo bosibo munachiye bina turifisa wanjiku asenonya nabo abaga goteba buna obututukanu nigo bwabeteba ko enekiwa asataba bunekine kyo nigo kerache konachwa chitariki isano na isato cyo mutienyi ogatano eriyo kumanya oburito bwaye.
The contest is about an MCA position. The Nyamira people expect the victor from this case.
A humble submission, my lady, it is not fatal and does not make the appeal incompetent.
Appeal 1 has got no record of appeal filed thereinto.
This authority supports? It supports our case, Your Lordship, because the appellants, both of them, never deposited any security for costs.
The ruling shall be delivered on 8th of May 2023. You will be informed which court will use for that purpose.
Omochumbe webunge ya West Mugrango ime county ya Nyamira Steve Mogaka ni gatero mnanere biyachi ngwana gukorekana gati ya serikali nensemerie egose kwa miriri ya serikali eri omurembe koenekiwa ime yense ya Kenya gukwana ime umucho Nairobi. Mogaka ni gateba buna ere asensemo ya enari tayare ase chingwane cho chirachi gukorekana hasanene amochia obomo bwazimiola umoja wa Kenya na kubagania gotigo korobekana hasengencho nigo enibo yaba Kenya egusarika
ngani nobosoku nga ensemo ya azimio tero chinga mugusina lingo isaine urenge koba asige ikarasiki ubo nobosoku eliya kabere abajumbe tocholire kurwa ikiama ya Jubilee abutogwena lete koba asazimio ntocholire no muchumbo yo mubuka gwikaransa ase igikaikyo igo clearly abantu bazimio agenda bagenderete ni yo muntu yo mubweka no yubwegesa kweke mogyoka agenda yitiriye ya Kenya iriya kabiri togosaba ukwanerwe togosaba ugambe na endo manye gwansa goteba ngukugamba ukunga kigogo chikoba na endo kugamba ukunga guchigwikaransa. I think ase uburayi bwa Kenya twaeteire ase tugwenerete gwansa kubangwa enchira abarayi baitu batagete gutubanga inche Stephen Mogaka abantu bane ba West Mugrango banchorete namagendero batagete namagendera yo igoto kunyanyora guhetera ase ukugamba both bunge naba minister bechi serikali alafu numo president bwenso monyene gusi numo deputy oye anytime oinyore gochimagega abantu bazimio igo bali goita abantu bakugamba ne serikali. Yes, bono igo bakwete kugamba ne serikali. And I want to tell abantu bali baminto balense mejiende baremererie egekoera muinoga nkubwata tulelite ngo lyogokonya egesaku tutali gochora tutali gochake egekoera alia abajumbe baro igo bali mateka mbago kwana n'ubusibuli bwabo.
Mwanchi umurigeri ngo kumanya buna bosege ikaro kyaba waziri nigo yakorekana ritko lya rero ase nyuma y'ibura ya State House me mucho Nairobi eryo gukwanira mirobero au anene yorengete okoira nense kwa magori y'ebinto imeyense ya Kenya nabo igo kubokya uchumi kurenda inegati yari orachikonya orasenchira yobwekera nuchi koraga chinsa isato igobona gendera gutwara uburigeri buro bya semirobero yonsi ya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bumugusi ensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital ensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News asumutanda Twitter @Ndizi TV News eriyo togendere gusanga mankiri triane Everline Osero twabwatirana nere Joshua Auta kwene kya wikeire asense mu imanyerero tobasa